my channel. Okay, now I am going to show how to do the face pack to your face. Okay, now it is a very easy to do at your home and very easy benefits and easy ingredients. Okay, before watching my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, now I will show you what is the ingredients to use for that face pack. Now we want some turmeric powder, honey, rose water and gram flour, and we want only specially fruit orange. Okay, with these 5 ingredients I will show you the easy face pack to do at your home. Okay, now we have to take an empty cup. After that 2 spoons of gram flour. Okay, take only 2 spoons. If you want more you can take, it doesn't matter, not a problem in that. With this gram flour we have a lot of benefits. Okay, now I am taking little bit of turmeric powder, like 1 spoon. Okay, mix it thoroughly, and rose water, that also I am taking how much I want to use in this. Actually it is a flour, right? So easily will not get, it is like a cream. We want more rose water. With the rose water also we have a benefits, you not need to fear. Okay, take how much you want the rose water. I want more in this, so I am taking more rose water. Actually I took 5 spoons of rose water, and we want a special fruit, this orange. I am taking the juice of this. These two I am taking only 2 spoons of orange. Actually it's not enough to me, so I am taking more 1 spoon of orange juice. Okay, it's enough to me. Now mix it thoroughly, very smoothly. With those ingredients will not get any side effects, and with the gram flour we have a lot of benefits. Now finally we have to take some honey. I am taking half spoon of honey. Okay, it's more than enough for us. So you have to mix it very well, like how I am doing, and it is a very easy procedure to do at your home. With the honey we have a benefits, and it gives the glowness and it gives the whitening. With the orange we will get a healthy and energetic, and it gives the glowness in our face. With the turmeric it gives the glowing and whitening. Okay, actually I am completed doing mixing this. I am taking the smooth brush. After that you have to dip in this. So you have to do face pack to your face, like how I am doing. You can take lot of to this. After that you have to do for your face. With this face pack also you not get any side effects and not get any problems. You can do it very easily at your home. Easy procedure guys, you can do it at your home very easily. You don't need to go to a parlor. So you have to spread it full of your face. Okay, actually I am completed doing this face pack, so you have to wait. It's for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, up to it get dry. Okay, now see my hand guys, how it is glowing and how it is lightening. So if you want the difference, you have to just watch my 2 hands how it is looking. Okay, see my 2 hands, it is a very brightening and this is not brightening. Okay, it is a lightening and it is a not lighting. With these two hands you will get the differences what I am doing and how I am doing. Okay, with this will not get any problems. You have to do it very easily at your home. Okay, after seeing this video you have to do it compulsory at your homes. You have to do it weekly in a 2 times. It's not get any problem with this dose. So after completing this video, after watching this complete with this video, please subscribe and like and thumbs up, give thumbs up to my channel. Bye bye.